How to get home button on iPhone screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the physical and motor section and tap on touch. Here, go to AssistiveTouch at the top. Over here, turn on the AssistiveTouch feature as shown. AssistiveTouch allows you to use your iPhone if you have difficulty touching the screen or if you require an adaptive accessory. As you can see, you can now open the home button on your screen. Following these steps, you can easily get home button on iPhone screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.